friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before start the video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create video from image using Google VEO 2.0. Before it I will tell you, it is completely free. Let's start the video without any delay. Go to Google Chrome. Type Google AI Studio. Click the first link Google AI Studio. Here is the home screen. Click Video Generator on right sidebar. Here is the complete information of setting. VEO 2.0. Number of results. Aspect ratio 16:9:9:16. Select 16:9 wide ratio. Duration of the video is maximum 8 seconds. Frame rate resolution is currently not available. Here in negative prompt, write any prompt which you don't want to see in the video. This is very big update achievement in AI field. Click image icon in search box to upload the image. Then click confirm. A new window open with the option to choose an account. After selecting the account, you have agreed the terms and conditions. Now again click on image icon to upload the picture and select the picture/image from device or drive. And write a prompt and click run. It will take few seconds to create video. Your video is ready. Let's play and check the results. It's so realistic that no one believes it's created from AI tool. You can also download the video. Here is another conversion of image to video. Select image. Type prompt. Wait for few seconds. Here is the result of the prompt. Hope you liked the video. Please share your experience about the video. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel.